Hey everybody, it's Val here, and today's video is going to be 3 Valentine's Day makeup looks. And to be honest with you, this is really only 3 different lipsticks. So I've got, let me pause it because one of my lipsticks is in my purse. Okay, so it's really just 3 different lipsticks. I'm just going to be changing the lipsticks 3 different times. So I've got a neutral, like a more natural look kind of, and it's from Lorac LA. It's from Lorac LA, and here it is. It's actually very, like, on me, it's like a nude color. You can barely, it still like adds more color to my lips, but you can tell that it's very natural. The second one is going to be a red, and I'm going in order from what's easiest to take off. So the next one is a red, and it's from Sephora, and this is my favorite red. It's Sephora Rogue. 4142 R03 in Passion Red, and I love this color. It's a really pretty red. And then the third one is perfect for Valentine's Day because it's actually well, it's not from, but it's a part of a Valentine's Day lip kit, and it's the Kylie Cosmetics Posy K with the liner as well. And this is my favorite and my very first lipstick that I ever got from Kylie Cosmetics. And then the products that I will be using today are new products. So it's also kind of like my updated makeup routine because they are new products that I'm going to be using. So I've got the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus or color correcting oil free matte with SPF 40. So this is the IT Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using this today. And then concealer wise, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination, and this is waterproof. I'm going to be using this. And then I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, and this one's mini, it's not full size. And then I'm going to be using the NARS Audacious Mascara. It's backwards. And of course, my all-time favorite, I'm going to be using the Smith Strawberry Lip Balm, which you guys have seen in a lot of my videos. This is my favorite lip balm ever. I'm going to be using that too. Let me pause the video one more time. I think I grabbed something. So in order to take off the lipsticks, I'm going to be using these makeup wipes from Absolute New York. My mom gets these from TJ Maxx. They're very useful. So I'm using these to take off the lipstick. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this makeup look. So I'm going to be starting with, I think I'm going to use a primer, and the primer that I'm going to be using today is a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, a foundation primer. I'm not a big fan of this. I might have to get another one. I'm going to be using this today. So I'm going to pause this video. Okay, so this whole makeup process is I'm probably going to put on fast mode. It's going to go fast-paced. So let's go ahead and get started. I took the primer and I put a little big dot onto my finger, onto my ring finger, and now I'm just going to take some onto my other ring finger and apply it. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the IT Cosmetics and I'm going to put some on my ring finger like I did with the primer. No, actually, yeah, no. I usually put it right here on top of my hand. So I'm going to just pump some out. Okay, and then I'm going to take my ring finger, and I'm just going to put some onto my finger, and I'm just going to dot it onto my face. Okay, now the excess, I might not use the excess, but I am definitely going to use my finger and just blend it into my skin. Bring it down to my neck. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more product onto my skin, just a little bit more, not too much more. Put some dots, a few dots. And now I'm going to blend that in. Okay, now I'm going to take my beauty blender, because I do have a beauty blender, and I'm just going to perfect the blending. Okay, now, hold on. Okay, so I'm going to take some blotting papers, and I'm going to use the blotting papers just to, if anything oily on my face. I'm just using these Sephora charcoal beauty blotting papers. So what I like to do, because it also takes off any excess too, I'm just gonna pat it onto my face. See how all that makeup that comes off? Okay, I think that's great. There's still a lot of makeup that will come off. But now I'm going to set this in with the setting spray. So I'm going to shake it. It says to, after applying makeup, shake bottle well and hold 8 to 10 inches away and mist face 2 to 4 times in an X and I formation. So I'm going to mist it twice. So I go in both ways, I and X. That was twice. Okay. Now, I'm going to take my concealer, and with the concealer, sorry, I'm a little sick, guys. Take this concealer, and I'm just going to put it like on my nose, under my eyes, so on top of my forehead, and on my chin. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender this time, and I'm just going to blend this in. Okay, now, and excuse my lips, they're foundation lips right now, but I'm going to take the setting spray one more time, and I'm going to go straight down the line. And then I'm going to take the blotting papers one more time, and I'm going to also go straight down where I placed the concealer. Okay, now the last step, I might put the blush on, but if I do, then it's not going to be on camera. Kind of looked funny there. Okay, so now I'm going to put my lip balm on, and I'm going to show you guys the lipsticks. Okay, so lipstick number 1 is Lorac LA, and it is in the shade Alter Ego. So I don't know if you guys can tell. It's not the dark, it's not like, it doesn't make the most noticeable difference, but it still does make a little bit of a difference. I'm just gonna put a little bit on more up here. So here it is. Okay, I'm gonna stop this right here and take a picture. I totally forgot the mascara, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. Okay, so here's lipstick number 1. Let me go ahead and put on lipstick number 2. So here's lipstick number 2. I think you can never go wrong with red lips on Valentine's Day, but it can be a pain to put red lipstick on. So, it's not on perfectly right now on my lips, but if you guys can do better, then do better. So, here's lipstick number 3, Posy K. And this is one of my favorite lipsticks of hers. It's really pretty on me, in my opinion. I love it on me. So, if you guys enjoyed this video and this helped you with maybe what you guys are going to be doing for Valentine's Day with makeup-wise, then go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to see more of my videos, then go ahead and subscribe down below, and I have a lot of videos to show you that you guys can watch, and I will be posting a video next week. So I will see you guys next time. Bye, everyone!